Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Siri not responding on iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max. Hey Siri, mic and network troubleshooting. First, verify Siri and voice settings. Simply go to settings, then go to Siri and Apple Intelligence. Now toggle listen for Hey Siri off, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Then retrain Siri to recognize your voice if prompted, and ensure Allow Siri when logged is turned on. Second, troubleshoot the microphone. Open the Voice Memos app and record a short clip. Now play it back to check for clear audio. Then clean the front earpiece grill gently with a dry, soft bristled brush. And remove any screen protectors or cases blocking the top microphone. Third, fix network connectivity. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Now switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data to isolate network issues. After that, go to Settings, find General, then click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and click Reset Network Settings. Fourth, Update and Reset options. Go to Settings, find General, click on Software Update, and install any pending iOS updates. Now ensure your language and region settings match your spoken dialect. And turn off low power mode in settings, then battery, as it restricts background processes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.